Well, I don't know King Lazarus, and this one is called State of Emergency. Selassie the first. We don't want no more bloodshed, no we not send dead. A message we are send to all the kill them. No more bloodshed, no we not send dead. A message we are send. It's a state of emergency. The people need help urgently. Watch yourself when you're walking on the street. Broad daylight and gunshot a beat. It's weeping and moaning and gnashing of teeth. It's bloodshed, warring on the streets. Eradicate poverty and crime would cease. Somebody tag Rowley. Election time when them coming on the streets. Full up the people with them hopes and dreams. Unfulfilled promises. Tired for hear the people ball. We don't want no more bloodshed.
What you represent and what you don't represent. If you walk up like a little idiot and want to go look for you and say, where the little dope you come from? How him? You understand? But you walk out there, you create, you have an entourage around. We are talking about people who can watch your head back, ensure that everything goes according to plan. People see how you dress, how you roll, how you walk. People know so well, and the big man I roll through. And the boss, this is not just an everyday man. This is not a come out with them pants drop down and him have on a little t-shirt and him walk. It's not going nowhere. So you have to create that professional look that people see it and either them fear it, respect it, love it.
Now, I finally get to see what funeral boss look like when him in I'm tug mode to rascal. And this guy right here, this guy Mr. Tommy Thompson, is a dangerous, what me say, dangerous person. From you see our in profile. Now, me I go play some more in video. And then me I go come back and talk about that brother at a bomb clad. Because now, remember you know, we see the man from Bright Light, and like the questions I was asking, is this guy an ordained minister to Rasclat to come out undressed like the Pope in his speech to Sir Pete, but just look how him dress in a this a blood clot video, yeah. Listen to this.
We have some mad things, we have some Kenneth Cool and you know, see all the bling bling shoes there. From the jacket, to the shoes, to the watch, to the train, to everything. Cause you know say, anywhere we go we are center of attention. You know. I told you, cause you know so I get style like that, you know, like sweating just put on something and fresh up again. And they look after dead. So if you look under them, me now say nothing not turn.
Now, me have this full video here, you know, with funeral boss. Yo, oh the man, I got a sting in a limousine. He man like 100 man to rascal, him in a limousine, and him have him gun crack off and him say, yo man, a bad man. And now, look, yo, me a laugh to rascal, but you know, do you see this brother here? You see this brother here? Funeral boss. He's a smart guy and I want dangerous boy. You see that boy here? Him did there foreigner hustle. That boy here was a hustler foreign. The way on flex, they can tell say him was a stepper and him know enough bad man. He know Willie Agat, he know all of them kind of man there. You understand? And me no know who give him the brilliant idea to set up a funeral parlor, because me read him thing, you know. Me do the research on him and me read the thing when him son did at England and thing. Him son was 29 and him say him son body come down you know, in a bad terrible way and whatnot. And me read some other things on him and do the research, and him say him try other things. Him sell car and him sell appliances. Them they are the two first thing when man want wash their money. You see, when you make your drugs money and you want to wash it, the first thing man set up is used car dealership to ask that. Believe me, anybody who say I like countryman I tell, May God strike you to blood clean, cause you know say a truth me a talk. Now, beyond that, if you listen in Badman video when him a go sting and how him flex, you can tell say him did have the certain idea, you know, because him say boy him have to always meet him a change out 2-3 times. And you see true him in the badness and the killing and the murder and them blood clot thing they know. It give him the brilliant idea to set up a funeral parlor, dog. Yo, it is possible that this guy right here so, you see him right here so, I want dangerous boy. And listen, me nah say him do this and him do that, you know. But what I am saying is, this guy right here is not somebody to play with. Before we get into the video, I want you to check out Countryman Canada, the YouTube channel, and also check out the WhatsApp group down below. You understand? In the group, we share information, we talk about a lot of stuff, and any ideas, any kind of videos you guys want me to make, I'll make it for you as long as it's possible for me to do it. So remember, check out the WhatsApp group. Now, let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not into the habit of responding to negativities, you know, because I'm a God-fearing person and God knows my heart. Now, there's a rumors I should say, going around in respect to a gentleman by the name of Sir P. I don't know where he's getting this information from. And to be honest with you, I wish I knew where he was getting such false and degrading informations from. My name is Tommy Thompson, Mr. Brightlight. In all my life, and a matter of fact, I'm saying this with God to my witness, I have never once on no occasion ordered anybody to be killed, or in any way, indirectly or directly, has nothing or anything to do with anyone who have died under any circumstances. Sir P, I don't know where you're getting the information from, or if they are made up, or you're doing it to get viewerships or whatever, but I'm asking you kindly to desist. Tommy Thompson, Bright Light. And I will say again, God to my witness, I swear, he said not to swear in his name, but I'm doing that now. If he wants to get annoyed with me, then he has that right to do so. I have nothing or anything to do with any of the allegations that is now being made by him. And I'm asking you, please, Sir P, to desist. Tommy Thompson has nothing to do with lizards. Tommy Thompson has nothing to do with my best friend, one of my best friends.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Yo, big up all of my brethren them star. Big up my Vinci friend them, see? And big up my friend them in New York, Jamaica, Trinidad, all over the world. Yo, I love you now. Now, listen. This thing here, I did some more research and look into this guy here, with name Tommy Thompson, Mr. Brightlight Funeral Boss, and I must say that I am supporting Sir P. The WALDie situation and all them things, like I said, I don't know too much about it, but to how this guy, Mr. Brightlight, is acting in his dancehall video them, you can tell him is a straight bad man, gunman, drug dealer from foreign who got enough dance in New York and sell enough things, and came back to Jamaica and decided that, listen, so much man are dead, me gonna start a funeral home, because him is on the inside of all the gangster them in Jamaica, dog. And to me, it just seems really crazy. This guy here, him remind me of the cartoon character. Have you guys ever watched Batman? And Batman, there's a prosecutor in there named Harvey. Them call him Two-Face. And you see Harvey, him have a split personality. One side of him do good, and then the next side of him do bad. And it's like the two personality them a wrestle. This is what I am getting from this this brother here. Now, the way of the man dress, you know, may I tell you how this dude is smart. Because the same way I'm talking I'm gunman video, and the same way him talk about him burial thing, you know. Because I read his interview, him is the one who come with the glamour. You understand? The bling. Cause him say, yo, when people bury them loved one in a bling, it make them mourn easier for beer. So, he know the both of the worlds. So that's why him get the brilliant idea for draw for this thing. Now, may I tell you something too? I know enough people might not agree with me, but you see this guy here, him is a brilliant genius. And let me tell you something, he is not going to prison. Tommy Tomlinson, Mr. Brightlight, him nah go to jail, him nah get catch for nothing. You understand? Even if him did involve with Cartel, Lizard, WALDie, and the whole of them, which from I look at his gunman video, me have to swing to the side that this brother here, yeah, him know them man there, and him did a deal with them, him know them, cause him say everywhere him go, and people know him. So that's another thing too, we want kind of mention. A lot of people already knew about this guy here. You understand? So people don't know him from before him start him funeral home, you know. Cause him say no macadam and him know this, him know that. Him say it out of his own mouth in the video. I got the full video. I can put it up in the WhatsApp group. I don't want to play the full video on the channel because maybe they might say copyright because they have artist music in it. But yeah, so a lot of people know about this guy before him turn bright light.
In this era of Kingston and everything, and these two comedians are professionals and they follow procedures. You have to go through procedures. And I don't know why anybody would bring anybody to me then under the circumstances to dispose of under any circumstances unless it is legit and legally done. And I'm asking Sepi, I don't know you. As a matter of fact, it's my intention to seek advice on this matter. I'm asking you please, sir, to desist from putting my name out in a negative light. I'm asking you please to desist from your actions. If you want to speak to me at any given time, sure, you can speak to me. You can Google me, and you can get to me, and you can speak to me directly. But I'm asking you, please kindly to desist from these allegations, which has no basis, has no merit. And I plead that in the name of Jesus Christ, because I know me, and my God know me, and who's close to me know me. I'm a man of dignity. I stand with a dignified standing in this society. I work hard for it. I didn't buy it. I didn't hurt people to get where I'm at. I work hard. I have changed this industry. I brought it to where it's at today, and I don't want my name to be flagged in any way.
No, I want y'all to look at the difference. It's like night and day. And I mean, I say people can't change, you know. Cause anybody can change, anybody can think. But even just looking at this guy right here, and I am saying to myself, is this guy a real ordained minister? Because just the way how him dress and how he's speaking and carrying himself, I was kind of like, what's going on with this dude? But now, when we see him in gunman video and think, I realize that him brilliant and that's something him do right throughout him life. This is not no new thing. You understand? And it's something him do right throughout him life. Yo, may I play some more of the gunman video them and look on this.
Yeah. That's a funny thing. No, you don't do that. You're in a problem. Because we are running this and we are make this go on tonight. And we are make sure say nothing out of the way. You can't look on the mad team and I come look on the mad team and I say what? Alright, we're supposed to go there, sir. Alright, gentlemen, let's go. Don't know, we just arrive at Sting, you know.
He changed the way burials are done in this area. Not only did he revolutionize the way even caskets were made in Jamaica, but he also made it so you can stream.
We start looking at it inside the little studio where the man set up and say, two of the most beautiful ladies in the world sitting about to have a conversation. Oh, come on, that kind of just shake me up. Because you know what I mean? Anything is beauty, is good and great, you understand? And the big man like nice stuff.
So if you want to see your family's funeral and your family's funeral is here, and you're in the US and you can't make it here, Kwame Thompson is a person who can get your funeral over there to wherever you are, so you can enjoy it. And the man is here with us with his big gun.
Thank you for joining us. How you doing?
It's a pleasure having me. Thank you. I mean, I feel honored to have two beautiful ladies. I'm honored to have two beautiful ladies.
I'm blushing.
Not many people get that opportunity, and I've been given that opportunity. So, you know, come on. Just like how I roll, that's the same thing I expect from a woman. So, being allowed to sit in the presence of two of the most beautiful women in the house, two of, not the only, because I can attest to that otherwise. Yeah, this is where all the magic will happen later. All the things. Yeah, come up in the thing, man. I don't know. Wanna stand back thing. This is where everything will happen tonight. This is where history's gonna be made tonight, right? So we just wanna understand that. Sometimes some little man will just see our roll through and just bad mind him because him can't sit in your position. Him can't sit in the big man shoes. You understand? And you have a little man at one gate, man him toss up already, you know. Because you might get pushed over with some whole sizzler man them.
Well, from what me see, he know WALDie them, he know Kartel, he know all of the killer man them, in the music business, he know the music business, he know the street life. So, the biggest thing what me can't understand, cause, listen, the man is a master of disguise, because the how me see him look, in this video right here, so wanna look on. Him look like him gay. And him look like him is flamboyant, a gay priest. This man is not an ordained minister. You understand? You see how him start out him thing? Him having big gun on him hip. Him a run bright light when him roll with a bag of man. Him know everybody. Him a the big man. And like me say, people know him from before. Cause you can see set people know him. So this kind of look right here, that with the big oversized glass, white glass on him face, the low docile Pope John Paul look. You understand? Compared to the Mr. Biggs, him alternative ego. It's yeah, Two-Face out of Batman. This is what him remind me of. I was shocked to see my role, and you know, it goes to show you once again that in Jamaica anything goes. Obviously, him look like somebody. If you want to get rid of somebody, you could have said, "Alright, Mr. Biggs, funeral boss. Yeah, dash of that money, I know why you're creamy." And him look like somebody that would do something like that. And that's the truth. And when you see the movements and the flex, yo, we are flinging that pussy there, you know. You see, them boy they are dopey, cause him all call the people them dopey, you know. Really look very narcissistic and disrespectful. You would think it's two different people. The Tommy Thompson is two different Tommy Thompson, but it's really the same one. Yeah, very strange, very awkward guy. Very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. I agree with Sir P. I think this dude right here, there's many stories behind his name, so, or many things, so, you know, like I said, we know that he's not gonna go to jail because that boy is smart, he know how to clean up him thing. People can talk all they want to talk, but that bright light man, yeah, Mr. Funeral Boss, him nah get charged. You understand? It would have been a miracle if that happened. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out. But you see that boy here? Dangerous boy. Very dangerous.